Good evening, everyone. Thank you for watching on Facebook Live or on YouTube. I hope y'all have had a great Labor Day. We had great weather for it, mostly dry conditions. We have a few passing clouds, but the weather was quite calm today. We still have a couple of those isolated showers showing up on Live IMAX 12. We'll zoom in on some of those. Really in Warren County right now, just south and west of Vicksburg. You are getting some of that rain at the southern part of the county as well. Madison County has had a couple of isolated showers north of the city of Madison, up here in Rankin County as well. Looks like maybe some rain there, but everyone else dry for the most part, and we will keep those mostly dry conditions throughout the overnight hours. Futurecast just showing a few passing clouds. Yes, there will be the potential for stray showers as we head towards Tuesday morning, but most will remain dry. Temperatures in the upper 60s, 68 for the metro, 66 in Carthage, 67 in Hattiesburg, 69 in Natchez. Partly cloudy skies continuing once again. For your Tuesday, highs right back close to where they were today, maybe a couple of degrees cooler. Upper 80s for most, 88 in Jackson, 89 for Natchez, 89 for Hattiesburg, 88 in Laurel. Carthage and Yazoo City, 85 in Carthage, 86 in Yazoo City. I've got them a little cooler because north of I-20, I'm tracking the potential for some decent rain chances tomorrow afternoon. All of central Mississippi is going to have a shot at the rain, but it is looking like those north of the interstate will have better rain chances. The reason for that is the low pressure system, which is going to be the weather maker that results in the scattered showers and thunderstorms on Tuesday afternoon, is going to move, it's looking like now, towards the northern half of the state of Mississippi. So the closer you are to that low pressure, better rain chances there. So north of I-20, better rain chances tomorrow. Low pressure system will hang around through Wednesday as well, which will result in the potential for a couple of isolated storms throughout Wednesday. Behind it, a cold front will move through. Now, I'm not expecting much rain from this, if any. The front will pass through as we head towards the weekend. But what I am expecting is some temperatures that are slightly cooler. Not much cooler, but a couple of degrees cooler anyway. Zooming in on the city of Jackson and central Mississippi and the Pine Belt, starting tomorrow morning, mostly dry. But then as we head towards the afternoon, scattered showers and thunderstorms developing once again. They're going to be hit or miss. Not everyone will see the rain, but once again, if you're north of I-20, expecting higher chances that you see rain. Past sunset, most of the rain should fizzle out. Clouds will clear out as well as we head into Wednesday morning. Your rain chances are really going to peak tomorrow and Wednesday. As we head throughout the rest of the 8-day forecast, rain chances not looking too great. 40% on Tuesday for the city of Jackson, likely a little higher for those north of Jackson, a little lower for those south. Wednesday, isolated storms possible as that low pressure moves out. By Thursday and Friday, though, sunny skies return, dry conditions. As we head towards the weekend with one of those frontal systems, or with that cold front passage, we could have a couple of stray showers, but rain chances just are not looking that great. Temperatures in the upper 80s for Tuesday and Wednesday, low 90s Thursday and Friday, upper 80s as we head towards the weekend. You'll see on Friday, low 90s, upper 80s on Saturday. With that cold front passage, I do expect high temperatures to drop just a couple of degrees. Low temperatures in the upper 60s, that average low being about 70 degrees, so we're going to stay right below average, but as we head towards the beginning of next week, that's when it is looking like, with that cold front passage, we could get some lows back in the mid-60s. So we'll be watching for that, but whichever way you look at it, the lows in the 60s feeling quite nice each evening. Now, it's not fall. I know it's not fall weather yet, but it is feeling quite comfortable each evening. As we watch the tropics still, Fernand has fizzled out, no longer a tropical storm. No named storm currently in the Atlantic. Tropical wave off the west coast of Africa does have a 60% chance of formation over the next week. We're going to keep watching this one because we are in the middle of hurricane season, still a couple of months left to go in that. But over the next 8 days in central Mississippi, not expecting any tropical impacts for us. Here's rainfall graphic. I guess I put it out of order just a little, but I'm expecting most of us to stay below a half inch of rain as we head through Tuesday and Wednesday. Just not looking like too much rain. For those north of I-20, you may see higher amounts, higher than a half an inch, but really it's not going to be too much rain over the next 2 days. For your 8-day, highs in the upper 80s to near 90, lows in the upper 60s. Best rain chances Tuesday and Wednesday. Sunshine returns Thursday and Friday with highs in the low 90s. We'll keep the lows in the upper 60s as we head towards next weekend. Dry conditions expected for the most part. Slight rain chances Saturday and next Tuesday, but for the most part, dry conditions expected. Partly cloudy skies as we head throughout the weekend and to start the next week, with temperatures dropping back down potentially into the mid-80s by next Monday. Hope y'all have a great rest of this Labor Day, almost Tuesday, so we've had great weather today, but I am expecting that to change tomorrow with the potential for some more rain. Appreciate y'all watching on Facebook Live or on YouTube. Meteorologist Megan Hanna will be here tomorrow morning with your next weather update. Thank y'all for watching.